Need lawn care service? We pride ourselves on providing the most professional and reliable services in the area. We take care of the little things so you can take care of the things that matter to you. It would be our pleasure to share ideas to transform your property into a showpiece. Take advantage of our friendly and professional service. We provide garden care, tree trimming and rubbish removal services. Maintain your garden according to your specifications. Providing you with a high-quality service that will meet and exceed your expectations. Genuine services at reasonable prices. Give us a call today to see what we can do for you. 0457132101. Every job we do is important to us and finished with care.